want to see right in front of the camera. That might be really good filming, isn't it? I grew up doing all my sister had a film class, so I had like crack an egg in my hand and let it drip between, you know. I just put the dope on after it gets passed out. So we always did dumb things. Like, look at that close he is.
Wow, uh-oh. It's going to taste your camera.
No, that thing is so tough.
Is it?
The only thing that's wrong with it is it overheats in like 10 minutes. It overheats in the ice box.
Did you get him of this?
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men tried to reach it. Many men have fell. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun we're trying to catch
They all started bouncing up together. Hey, buddy. See, they can fly. Just flew from right there to there. If you don't trim the wings, they can't fly far, kind of like a pheasant maybe. Bird right up here. All right, I'll let you have your tree. Sorry about that. This is a perfect little tree, hop hop. Anyways, they go up in the tree. So a lot of times I'll see tourists be like, where are they crowing from? They're up in the trees, you know. You're good. All right, this car is trying to get out. Doesn't like me standing there. I don't know what's more interesting, for the close-up for you guys or the pecking and squealing in the background. I love how they like do their feet still while they're eating, like they're, you know, digging for worms or something, but they're not. They're on concrete. That cracks me up. It's a habit though, you know. Yeah.
Is free?
I'm not sure. I think it is, but I'm not sure. I only parked here for the birds. But I think it's public property, so I don't know.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow, look at all the roosters. Yeah, I was thinking earlier today, I was like, oh yeah, all those birds down in Key West, roosters. Oh my God. These guys are starving. They're almost pecking at my feet. Wow, they're not being fed. Amy was wondering if the since there's less maybe less tourists, I don't know. chickens. Jeez. Aggressive. Aggressive, you guys. Beating up each other. It's a pecking order. Plenty to go around, guys, girls. Let the little chicken in. Wow, you guys are starving. Just ran into me. Pushed out of the way and ran into me. Oh, little chicken. Where's your mom at? Well, that front one's obviously the big boy. Running the show. Oh, we're on top of a little chicken. Boy, the chicks are getting pecked down here. You guys are fight to survive mode. Cannot believe you guys have not been fed down here. Unbelievable. Dog eat dog world down here. I mean, the little chicks have been getting stomped on. There's like one back over here. Look at that one. It's all by itself. It's way back here. No hen looking after. Oh, there's the hen. Wherever. I can't point to it. So much going on. That's another thing. Why does that hen only have one chick? The rest are done for. She's only have one survivor. These guys are fighting at my feet. Two chicks. Looks like there's two chicks, maybe three. Literally pecking at my feet there. Ooh, fight. Cockfight. Cockfight. Wow, it's brutal down here. Cockfight. It's got feathers hanging out of his beak. This thing's getting really hot. I'm gonna lose the footage. Darn it. Squeaker. Look at this bird here. Just all it is it's afraid. It got squished in the middle somehow. Watch, it's gonna fly out of there in 1 second. Oh, it's toughened up. It's gonna eat. It's gonna eat until it doesn't get pecked on. Oh, that's just squeaking. Look at the pecking. All of a sudden they're all skittish, even the big roosters. Wow, look how skittish they got. So there was only like 2 roosters over here when I got out. It must have... They must get fed at times, so they all knew to come running, you know what I mean? It's okay, guys. Chase me. I grab you the food bag. Gotta get it and run. They're all going, where do I run to? This is a tough group. Hit and run, hit and run. Right. Such an interesting group. Look at that one's got a piece of bread. It's being chased. Eat it, buddy. Stop and eat it. And it lost it. It lost half of it. And the hen that got it, almost got attacked. Oh, there's a bird over there, still has a whole piece of bread in its mouth. This is Amy's Point here. We still have, like for a while, we didn't have tourists down in Key West. And I'd come down and I'd feed the animals all the time because there's nobody here. It could be just me in all of the whole Key West, which you wouldn't think is true. But you couldn't come down to Key West for quite some time. It was legally blocked off. So I'd feed, but then for a while, especially summertime, look at the fights. There you go, buddy, have another one. Give her another one, she's out. See if she gets to eat it. But Rooster, she's still running. She's over here. She's trying to take a bite. She's still running. She got pecked from her behind and went, "Arr!" Oh my gosh. Anyways, now, literally, like, you know, normally, like, okay, bread, right? Who cares? Well, this is pretty good bread. I like good bread, but I'm a cheapskate too, and you know, money's tough. This is like almost $5 a loaf. So who in the world's gonna be out here as dumb as me feeding, you know, $5, $6, $7 a loaf bread to these guys? So my point is, what Amy was saying is, there's probably a lot less people feeding. There's less tourists than normally here. There's a good amount of tourists here now, but there's less tourists here. But there's a lot less people feeding or can even afford to feed, you know what I mean? So these guys are paying the price. It's spring. They just had a bunch of chicks hatch. They're used to being fed better. It's created more. Oh, that was nice. That rooster gave the hen the piece of butter, or piece of bread. There you go, buddy. that was a little hen. He just stands there. Oh no. Oh no, that hen's getting beaten. She was beaten. Wow, and that same rooster's going after the next. That's funny. There was all these. Look at the roosters chasing. Oh, he's. Interesting. It's the hens get in trouble a little bit, but it's like the roosters let them have it too. Yeah, those are. That's pretty cool. See, the guy just let her have it. This hen over here talked to me for the. Yeah, see, the roosters let the hens have it, even though they're starving. Bees after, or bugs after me. I like your vocal, but I'm out of bread. And I got a bug following me for some dumb reason. All right, guys, that's it. That's it. Yeah, you guys are starving. I'll feed you more. You guys are starving. Hold on.